Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, March 13th, 2023. I hope you're having an awesome day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and let everyone know we are over 100,000 people in LiveGood right now. All right, we launched globally back on December 13th, I believe. I joined back on December 21st. You can see right here. And I think when I joined, I don't even know if there was 1,000 people in it. So, to be at over 100,000 members is absolutely crazy. This is the place to be, folks, okay? I've been internet marketing for 16 years now, mostly affiliate marketing. I've been with a few network marketing companies, and never have I seen anything like this, all right? LiveGood is absolutely the place to be in 2023. You can get started for a one-time affiliate fee of $40, and then it's $9.95 a month. We also have a yearly plan that you can pay and pay $99.95 up front, save $20. And I have people on my team who have never made a single penny online before, who have hundreds of people in their matrix already. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen for you right away, but it is possible, and the earnings disclaimer is down in the video description. All right, but like I tell people, where else can you go and start your own online business for $49.95 and then just pay $9.95 for each month thereafter? You can't do it. All right, I mentioned our soap company that my wife and I owned before in videos. Just the expenses this past year were over $90,000 just to run our soap company, a soap company. All right, so you're getting far more with this business opportunity than any other possible opportunity in the world. Okay, you look at franchise costs, hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars just to get, to set up a McDonald's or a KFC or a Subway. This, you can come in, $49.95. You can work from the comfort of your home. You can work in your pajamas. You can work whenever you want to. All right, I don't even work on this more than an hour or so a day, okay? And I have already made over $2,000, and I've built up my monthly residual is going to be several $100s now moving forward, and it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. I think we have almost 100 new team members on the team just this month. So there's other teams that are growing quicker. There's some that are growing slower. I'm just sharing you my experience with LiveGood so far, but I love everything about this company. Like I mentioned, we're a global opportunity. We have distribution centers going up all over the world, and this is a company that's going to be around for many, many years to come, and I look forward to being part of it for all those years, okay? So if you want to learn more about LiveGood, click on the link down in the video description. You're going to be taken over to my tour page, which looks just like this. All right, we have a 5-minute, 55-second video here that explains everything in great detail. You can reserve your position in our 2x15 force matrix by simply entering your first name, last name, a valid email address, and clicking reserve my position now. All right, this is something you don't want to miss out on, folks. This is the first ever membership-based network marketing company in the world. This is going to be an Amazon in the future, okay? This is going to be the Amazon of network marketing. All right, we're starting out in the health and wellness industry with all of our awesome, high-quality products, which are super affordable that anybody can afford. And it's just going to grow and get bigger and better, and more products are going to be added in the future. And like I said, it's going to become the Amazon of network marketing. So 100,000 people, most network marketing companies, it takes them years to get that many people to sign up. We have over 100,000 members right now in less than 3 months, okay? So lock in your position today. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to earning with you. When you join my team, we have our own private Facebook group. We do Sunday Zoom calls. We do a weekly LiveGood presentation that you can invite all your pre-enrollees to, and it's just growing and growing. So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.